Welcome to the demonstration video of HI 720 TDS Conductivity and Concentration Controller. In this video, we will see how to do the connections, the features and the advantages of the controller. The model number for this controller is HI 720-122-2. That is a single set point controller. Here is the setup for HI 720. The controller is powered by a 230 supply through a mains cord. HI 7650 is a conductivity inductive toroidal probe which is connected to the controller. It has color-coded wires. The connection has been clearly mentioned in the manual which is provided with the probe. The connections have been made as per the color code. This is a converter which is a RS485 to 232 converter. The 485 signal from the controller is given to the converter. The converter gives the RS232 signal to the PC. This is HI 92500 software. This CD, the software has been downloaded in the computer. As you can see, the probe has already been connected with the inbuilt temperature sensor connections. Now, the customer can use the analog output 1 port for connecting it with a recorder or any device of an analog signal. Relay 1 is connected to set point 1. The customer can connect a dosing pump or an actuated control valve to control the set point. This is an alarm relay which the customer can use to connect to a buzzer or an alarm device. Now, coming back to the controller, as you can see, the front panel has a clear LCD display of the measurement of TDS. It has 4 user-friendly keys through which the user can go to the settings and set the required parameters, set point and different values. There are 2 LEDs on the front panel. The upper LED shows the status of the controller and the lower LED shows the alarm status. Currently, it displays a red alarm, that is a low alarm. The value seen on the screen is 0.04 ppt, which is a low value and it's generating an alarm. Below are 4 small LEDs for showing the status of the relays. Customer can use relay 1 to give it to the set point 1. Getting into the general settings, measurement mode has been selected as TDS. TDS range has been selected as 10 ppt. Customer can select a range from 10 ppt to 100 ppt. He can also select an option of auto range, wherein the controller will sense the sample and select the range. As you can see, the set point has been set to 6 ppt. 6 ppt is 6000 ppm, confirming the value and coming out of the setup. Coming to the screen of the computer, the entire front panel of the controller is displayed as it is on the screen. The customer can do the settings and the changes even with the keypad on the screen. Having a look at the other options, the customer can get a graph of the values of TDS, conductivity and concentration. The device option will help you to get into instrument settings. These settings allow you to change the parameter between TDS, concentration, conductivity, change the range, and similarly other settings. All the settings of the analog output, input, date, time, and temperature are available in this window. Taking measurements with HI 720. The inductive probe is dipped in a sample. The controller reads the TDS in PPT. Currently it reads 3.15 PPT. The status of the LED is on, that is relay 1 is on. The device connected to the controller is running. For example, a pump which is controlled by the controller is on. Now the relay will turn off as soon as the readings cross the set point, which is set as 6 ppt. Now inserting the inductive probe in a sample with a higher ppt. The controller reads 6.39. The set point is 6 ppt. As you can see, the relay goes off. That is, a device which is connected to the controller will stop and the sample TDS will be controlled. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any doubts, you can contact us. Thank you so much.